Tomei. Alrighty folks, I'm back with another YouTube video, and like I said, next video is going to be a exhaust install on Anthony's G35, and here it is. As you can see, it's a Tomei, pretty solid exhaust. Let's go ahead and check it out.
Dude, this is crazy life. Holy shit. Stay away from that one. Use some of this box to cover. Oh, shit. Silencer. Bro. They gave me the whole key. You gave me a tab badge? Dude. Holy shit. Is it turbo? And here's the thing we waited for. Holy. Dude, that's a cannon. Dude, this looks so much bigger in person. Dude, that is hella light. Ah! Damn, dude. We're gonna have some fun. Wait, you just gonna... I forgot ripping that. Yet? What? The extension.
Does it go separately?
I hope not.
Where's that one?
No, the extension's like a little pipe that's like that long.
Alrighty folks, so if you don't know what's going on, we got the main package, but he also had to buy an extension pipe to come with it so it fit on his cart, but the extension pipe is not here. So we're letting no exhaust today. So, right here, this is like a, I don't know, like a valve kind of thing, goes inside the pipe, and then right here you got a giant hanger. Right here you got the band clamps and some rubber for the hangers, I'm guessing, so it doesn't rub up and make noises. Right here you got a gasket, some springs for to hold it up with the hangers. Right here we got some lubricant. An Allen wrench, 2 nuts, and a bolt. But basically, you gotta use this stuff, simple hardware. And then right here you got a resonator. We're gonna go ahead and leave it in the packaging until we install it. You'll see it then, but you got a resonator right here. And then right here, he just has a simple little pipe to pull it together. And then right here we got the massive cannon for the tip. Pretty sure this is a 4-inch tip. As far as I'm
More than 4 inches.
I think it's 5-inch tip, maybe 6-inch.
I think the piping is full with something I had to look into. I bet it says in the paper.
Yeah. This might be a 5.5, 5-inch tip, but as you can see, it got some blue on it. How well you can see it, but got the Hot Boy stuff on there. Makes it look 3 times better. This will pop on that car, match the license plate, but no extension pipe, so.
It says it's a separate order coming in.
He checked the stuff, separate orders, so we're gonna have to wait for the extension pipe to get this installed, but for you guys, that's just gonna be like a matter of seconds, so.
Why did he tell me that, bro? I would have ordered it from somewhere.
The reason why he didn't get the extension pipe, it wasn't that they're just separate, but I guess they didn't have one in stock right now and they're waiting for one. So he'll get information about when it's being shipped when they have one in stock. So yeah. But I mean, it's like 30 degrees out and like 30 to 60 degree winds or like mile per hour winds. It's kind of cold outside, so probably better not to do it right now.
What up? It's Tony. No Anderson today, sadly. Man, just put in that work getting bread, so I said I'd record this install for you. Pretty much, this is the part we were waiting on. This is the extension. It goes on that back of everything, connects to the Y pipe, and I'll show all that once I get under there. But to start things off for right now, every bolt that's connected on this exhaust, as far back as I want to go, I need to spray with WD-40 just to loosen things up. But here's just kind of like a look of the stock exhaust. It's a single to a big ass dual, but you know. Yeah, we'll get right into it as soon as I'm ready. So I've hit all the spots where I need to with WD-40 to loosen these bolts up. So that's the end of the Y pipe right there. This resonator. This hanger right here I won't need anymore, so I sprayed it just to take it off. And then of course, connecting to the muffler. So those are all the spots I'll need to take bolts off of just so I can fit the Tomei in here. And yeah. All right, so change of plans. So basically, those two bolts down there are loose and are ready to come off. As I got to these ones, this one's bent really bad and this one is not moving. I used the impact drill and nothing's happening, and it broke one of my angle bolt things. So basically what we're moving to now is I'm going to cut right here and right here of the exhaust and take this part out so I can get my muffler off, and I'll be able to detach this from the Y pipe. But other than that, everything's on track and rolling. All right, so we successfully cut through this part of the muffler. Another thing we had to do was we had to get this screw unscrewed from this hanger. We do not need this hanger at all. The only hanger we need somewhere up in here. I'll have to find it and show you. But right now, only thing that's holding onto this muffler is two hangers. We've put towels right here so it doesn't scratch my bumper. Next thing to do is use a pry bar, pry the hangers or the things inside the hangers holding the muffler up, and we'll be gone with this. Right, we got the muffler off. This is the size of it, it's pretty big. Comparison, my hand, aka no sound. So now, just how much open space is in here. Pretty big. This is where we cut it. There's all the messed up bolts. And now all we got down there by the jack is those two bolts that are rusted on. And once we get those off, we can start installing things. All right, we ended up taking the pipe off and putting on the extension. Just used the old bolt because it was staying on there, so might as well use it. And have a nice seal with the gasket. Now we're about to put on the resonator. Use this gasket and the bolts that came on with the extension, so yeah. All right, so basically we ended up putting the whole exhaust on. Here's the Tomei, the tip. We had to put the hanger in the original hanger spot. We had to put two springs on with the clamp holding, connecting the muffler with this, I don't even know what this is called, another pipe. Then we got another clamp, two more clips connecting the resonator to this pipe. And then we had to bolt on these two bolts connecting to the extension, and there's the old bolts, and pretty much we are done.
video. Anthony's car, the G35, sounds a lot better than it did with that stock exhaust on it. It had a giant muffler on it. You couldn't really hear the engine and the sounds that the VQ makes, but this exhaust helps open it up a lot more and makes it sound really good. So I think the next video is going to be some videos of him driving, you know, just to hear the car, see what it is like on the highway and stuff like that. Maybe some tunnels. So be looking forward to that. Be looking forward to some more videos about installs on this car. You know, this exhaust installation probably sparked more upgrades in the future for him. You know, he's probably going to do more to the car because the exhaust sounds good. He wants the car to be faster, sound better. So be looking forward to those videos. So thank you for watching the video. If you like the content, go ahead and leave a like and go ahead and subscribe. You'll see a lot more of this content in the future. Next video probably will be a video about Anthony's car again, because we need to make more content about it because it's cool. So if you guys are looking forward to that, go ahead and press that subscribe button, press that like button, let me know that you guys like the content, and I will sure to be uploading more of that in the future. So thank you for watching and enjoy yourself.